Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Wednesday, January 26th. Today is our actual 9-year anniversary or 9-year birthday or whatever you want to call it. 9 years of Cary Quilting Company, and we have a nine back here, but it's not paying attention. Anyway, I wanted to welcome you to the store. Between now and Monday, we have some really amazing sales that will be going on. First up, you're going to get 20% off all kits, all panels, all pre-cuts, and 20% off any end of bolt in the shop you can find, including sale fabrics, and 20% off of all already cut fat quarters. So that is a ton of categories. For you online fans, we do have an online code that will help you with 20% off of kits, panels, and pre-cuts. And then if you'd like to call the shop, we can kind of walk you through to try to find some end of bolts if you want to do that. We have lots and lots of giveaways thanks to all of our wonderful suppliers who have gifted us with things to share with you every hour on the hour in the store between today at 11 in the morning and next Monday at 5 p.m. We're going to be giving away these little baskets. Let's see what this one's got in it. Well, this one has a little design roll from QT Fabrics and a pattern and a row by row license plate and a notepad. So as long as you come visit us and stay on the hour, you're going to be entered to win one of these prizes every single hour. I think we have 32 of these. Then this is our basket for our in-shop customers, and everybody can enter to win this basket every time you come and shop with us. This is our staff basket, and every staff member who works during the sale days will be entered for that. This is our online sales basket. So every time that you place an online order with us between now and the 31st, you will be automatically entered to win this guy, and we will ship it to you when the sale is finished. And then this is a basket full of items that are going to get added to our online orders. So you may get something like a pattern. You may get something like a towel from Moda Fabrics. You may get something like a 5-inch charm pack. So if you order online with us during the next 6-ish days, you will automatically receive a goodie in your online order as well. We want to thank you guys so much for supporting us for these 9 years. If you got our email yesterday afternoon, you saw what the picture of our fabric room looked like 9 years ago today, and it has been a wild ride in the amount of fabric and items that we have added to our inventory since that very first day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting us in any ways that you have in the past and in any ways that you will in the future. And we'll see you back here from the shop with more new fabric tomorrow. Bye.